Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the skin so the sticker adheres and the design transfers cleanly. Clean the area with an alcohol wipe and let it fully dry. Oil prevents transfer. While the skin dries, pick a sticker that fits the finger or palm and carefully trim excess with small scissors. Once trimmed, position the sticker gently on the chosen spot, aligning it to natural creases so the design looks effortless and won't warp when you bend your hand. Now you apply and activate the decal to transfer the Mehndi pattern. Press the sticker firmly for about 20 to 30 seconds. Use a damp sponge to moisten the backing evenly so pigment releases. Rub over the entire surface. Short, even strokes work best. Don't slide the sticker or the design will smear. Once the area feels saturated, peel the backing slowly at a 45-degree angle to check the transfer. Make sure the lines came through before. Finish by sealing and allowing the transfer to set so it lasts longer. Let the design air dry for 10 to 15 minutes and avoid touching the area. Once dry, you can lightly mist setting spray or dab a tiny amount of oil to deepen color and protect edges. If the transfer smudged or has gaps, don't panic. Line small gaps with a fine-tipped Mehndi pen or reapply a trimmed sticker over the area, pressing and peeling as before. Make sure to test one finger first if you reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.